You're not supposed to talk with your hand, with your mouth full. I love you. Do you love your mommy? Yeah. Do you love your mommy? Oh, what? You don't want to talk no more? Really? Yeah? Really? Why are you so talkative? Really? Hi. I love you. Say mama. Say mama. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.